Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and mute your coach on the ladder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for ladder, find application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started using the application. Keep in mind, to be able to use the ladder, you need to have a pro subscription or either use the free trial that is offered to you at the beginning of the application once you open it up for the first time. So once you've done that, we can get started accessing our teams right here at the bottom right corner. Get started choosing the team that we want to go ahead and be a part of, and then we have the chat option right here where we can go ahead and chat with our coach. So basically we can mute the coach by going and accessing the settings menu to disable voiceovers, or by tapping the coach thumbnail image during a session. So basically you're going to have your settings right here on the main page. Once you go ahead and start the workout, you're going to go ahead and be able to see your settings in the bottom right corner. From here you're going to go ahead and have the mute option, and you can see the coach audio settings, from where you can go ahead and mute it to set it to 0, and to coaching audio turn it off so you can go and mute your coach and not hear him during workouts, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.